Here we've got Motorola Moto G5G Plus, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and click About Phone. Now scroll down, and once you see build number, just click on it 7 times. Then enter your unlock pattern if you have one, and as you can see, you've just unlocked developer options. So let's go back, and now go to System, click on Advanced, and developer options appeared right here. Open them, scroll down a bit, and here you've got automatic system updates. So if you would like to apply this option, apply this feature, just click here, and now it is on. So from now on, your updates will be automatically installed. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.